Hello YouTubers, this is Campy Boy, and this is a cool skating game, and this is Skate 4, and I hope you enjoy. Hold on 1 second, folks, I'm just having to do something, so I'll be back in a minute. Sorry about that, just had to quickly speak to someone. Right, I have changed what I look like, and the stunts I've done. I have done different things, so I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to click on the battle, because the battles are fun. So now let's click play. That's a picture of one of my one of the stunts I can do, my guys, which I will show you. There's 5 of us, and what I have to do is there's these things that are like round and round as you use them as like weapons, and you have to use them to destroy people. So once I get closer to someone, I will go down and knock these guys off. Like, boom, like that. That's one guy off, and I have to get as many as I can off. If I get all 5, then I unlock a new thing. Oh, damn it, don't bastard. Get that going. Oh, damn it, just almost got him. Boom, got another one. Okay, I'll do that in a second. Right, let's go style. What a fail. I'd laugh if I hit that guy in front of me. That would be funny. Damn it. Right. It doesn't matter what place you come, as long as you can get some guys like damaged. I'm just trying to find something I can use as a weapon. So let's go around here. Oh, there's something up here. Got this. Okay. I just need some guys to run. Boom. Oh, knocked 2 off. I got 4, so which means I need to get 1 more, which I will hold back. And boom, got 5 out of 5. I have got a boost, which I will use because it just makes it fun. Right. I will try to do some stunts now to make it look cool. Okay, wait 1 second. I will try to pause it. There you go. Hold on 1 second, and I will be back in a second. Okay, I am back, and we will go. Okay, and we will carry on with what we were doing. Alright, I'm just going to do a simple jump like that, and then I'll do a big jump here. I might have already said this, I don't know. You press Z just to like hold your deck and do a trick, and you hold X to do a big trick. So let's do an X. That's one trick I can do. Oh, I got a boost, which I will use because it's fun. High flying. Right, almost. Let's use my boost and let's do. How cool is that? Okay, these videos are short. I will end the video here, and goodbye.